What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about a couple of things. We're going to be discussing Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as DigiByte BTC technical analysis. We will also be discussing the coin market cap, pretty much getting a general overview of what things are going on in today's market. And then we will also be looking at the question that and what you saw in the title, Litecoin price prediction. Will the rally continue in March of 2019? So, you know, we've clearly seen that Litecoin has been going up quite a bit. Is it going to continue to go up in March? That's what we're going to discuss in today's episode, guys. If any of that sounds interesting to you and you have yet to subscribe, make sure to do so. Turn on post notifications. This way you don't miss out on any important crypto-related news or media. And then don't forget to drop a thumbs up or a thumbs down, depending on how you, view today's episode. It gives me good feedback. Otherwise, let's jump into today's episode. So guys, right now I'm on the current coin market cap, and as you guys can see, we have a market cap of 134.8 billion, 24-hour volume of 36 billion, and then a Bitcoin dominance of 51.6%. So what can we take away from this? So for those of you who are new to the channel, what we look at is the Bitcoin dominance is slightly around the same as it was yesterday. So not really much movement in terms of Bitcoin or the altcoins. 24-hour volume, 36 billion, which is actually kind of higher than where we've seen it in the past. Similar to yesterday though, but just ever so slightly higher. We should, even though I just looked, we should anticipate a slightly higher market. Now that is up for debate though, because volume doesn't predict, higher volume doesn't just mean that we're going to go straight up. It means that money is moving in and or out of the exchanges. In this case, money is moving into the exchanges, and we can look at that based on its market cap at 134, almost $135 billion is an indication that we're moving up in volume. We're moving up in the market cap. We're moving up in prices. You can see out of the top 10 cryptos that is clearly reflected. Litecoin still holding the number 4 position. Awesome. Up by 100 million right now. The fact that I'm seeing a 2.2 billion volume within 24-hour volume within Litecoin is absolutely phenomenal. Guys, you remember when Litecoin was trading at like 300 million in terms of volume. The fact that it's 2.2 billion is absolutely crazy. It's crazy. Top 10 cryptos though, Bitcoin looking not too bad, about to retest $4,000. Will we break that? That is up for debate. XRP 13 billion, market cap 31 cent, up 0.4%. Biggest gainer 3.2 Binance coin. We're definitely gonna have to check out Binance coin soon, guys. It may be the coin for next week. Definitely let me know in the comments which coin you would like me to review, just to take a look at XRP or Binance coin. Let me know. Otherwise, majority of the market is up. There is some red, but for the most part, it is green, which is huge. Moving on though to the articles. Before we jump into that, if you're new to the channel, like I said, or you have yet to sign up for the ABRA exchange, it's the second link in the description. They're doing a huge promotion right now, guys. We've had over 100 people on the channel sign up. It's awesome. It's an awesome exchange. They're doing a promotion right now, which is basically if you deposit $5, just $5 of USD from a bank account into the exchange and get some crypto, they will reward you with $25 of free Bitcoin. It's that simple. Over 100 people have done that. I believe that's $2,500 given to you guys. Very simple, awesome way to support the channel. Check it out, and let's move on to today's article. So guys, the biggest talk. Litecoin price prediction. Will the rally continue in March of 2019? Will it continue throughout the next month? So obviously, we've discussed that March was going to potentially lead to some upside. We also discussed February going to be pretty big. But we do need to discuss what is potentially going to happen within this month. So, Litecoin price prediction of March, from various sources. I want to kind of tell you guys what other people think, and then I'll go into mine. So, Long Forecast has the following Litecoin price prediction for March 2019. An open price of $46, a low-high range of $45 to $75. And a close price at the end of the month at $64 for a monthly return of 40% gains. It is a very optimistic forecast for Litecoin. A digital coin forecast that the price of the Litecoin will increase in March and a potential target price of $77. Now, there are two optimistic Litecoin price predictions. So we then see Wallet Investor estimates that in 14 days, Litecoin price could target $62 on the upside and $46 on the downside. In general, the forecast trend line is trending up, a strong signal that indicates optimism of higher levels. for Litecoin soon within its price. 30 Rates has the following Litecoin price prediction in March of 2019. In 3 weeks, Litecoin price prediction on Thursday, March 28th, minimum price of $61, maximum of $71, and at the end of the day, price $66. Litecoin to USD predictions on Friday, March 29th said minimum of $59, maximum of $70, and at the end of the day, a $64 price. Again, a very optimistic scenario supporting the higher price levels for Litecoin in March of 2019, but all of them do seem to be very, very, very positive and, and on to the upside. With the recent price action, a very optimistic trend exists for Litecoin, with potential for higher price levels in March of 2019. Litecoin retested the high price level of $56 initially formed back in November of 2018, a V-shaped trend reversal. We have a strong trend measured by the ADX DMI indicator and the MACD indicator, showing that both the 20-day and the 50-day exponential moving averages are rising up. If the rally continues, then some key target levels would be $74, $94, and $101. So we'll see. I also want to play, the negative side to what could potentially happen for Litecoin. I know a lot of people talk bullish, a lot of people have been bullish, but what if a double top does form near the price of around $55? I know we're at 57 right now, but what if a double top happens and we retrace tomorrow? We note a negative divergence for MACD histogram as Litecoin moved higher from 46 to 57 as of today, March 7th, which is 2 days ago, 2019. This negative divergence may act as a very early alarming signal for the profit taking could appear soon for Litecoin, which means people are going to sell out and purchase just US dollars transferred into fiat. The price level of 57 to 59, which are currently in between right now, testing 57, is a strong resistance level on the weekly chart. In addition, Litecoin price has reached the upper weekly Bollinger Band, which often acts as a resistance zone. We do not think that Litecoin could move to a lower weekly Bollinger Band, currently at around $21, but we estimate that the pause for this rally could lead to lower prices near the price levels of $44 to $42. Also, the 50-day moving average, currently at 42, is another price target to the downside. So, in conclusion, we favor mostly the optimistic scenario. However, profit taking is very probable at the current price of $55 to $57. Only the most important posts I try to make on this episode and within the channel, so definitely make sure to tune in and subscribe so you don't miss out on this. Otherwise, I do want to get into the technical analysis aspect of today's episode. So guys, right now I'm in the current coin market cap, and you can see we're on the current Litecoin technical analysis chart, and I'm looking at Litecoin. Pretty much a dead giveaway, not really much of an explainer if you're not new to the channel, but if you're new, we do have this uptrend that was a support at one point, currently acting as a resistance today, but you can see tons of resistance up at this line, and that is causing huge issues with us proceeding higher. And the only way we can really, tend to go higher is if we not only lower ourselves on the RSI and the daily back down to 50, but trade out sideways, if not retest $51. That would be huge. But get away from this uptrend. Let us consolidate down, reconsolidate, trade out sideways, and then the next time we go up, we could be $63, $60, much higher than the $56 it's at right now, around $5 to $6 higher. That's huge. Now, right now, this is the massive problem, this uptrend. We also need to come back down from this, high-low MMA and the RSI. You can see the high-low MMA is very low compared to the price, so we do need to pull back down closer towards it. And also, we need to get this much lower, this this RSI. And honestly, the price will pull back down. I'm shooting for around $51 to $52. And then we could potentially see a much higher swing to around $60 to $65. Otherwise, guys, I do think, there will be a very good buying opportunity within Litecoin soon. I'll let you guys know once again when I buy back in. But moving on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is coming very, very, very close to when it's about to break out, mainly because, or at least break and have a major move. We have a massive downtrend resistance level on Bitcoin, and the fact that we're just trading out sideways with practically little to no volume is an indication a big move is coming. So, I do think this is a sleeping giant right now. We are looking for a big move to come. We're retesting this high-low MMA right now. We look beautiful on the RSI, only trading at around 57, 56, and coming very close to the downtrend and getting sandwiched in between here. And we will see a big move by the end of March. I'm saying March 23rd to potentially March 27th, we could see a pop to the upside. But if we can see a cross of not only these high, low, middle moving averages and the downtrend, the sky's the limit, guys. We could go very, very, very high. Ethereum will follow Bitcoin's path. We shall see this. This is also, you know, very nice on its RSI at 55, lower than its Bitcoin. Trading sideways. Tons of resistance right now at 140, 139, mainly because of this green band. But if we can break through that, guys, we can shoot up to easily $200 for Ethereum. So definitely keep your eyes open, you know, and peeled. There's more of a chance of us breaking bearish. I don't want to see it, but the fact that we've had now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days, more than a week of resistance from this high-low MMA and this resistance level is an indication to me that we're probably going to pull back down. Lastly, to sum up today's episode, DigiByte, guys. So to discuss DigiByte, there is an uptrend right now. You know, we have a support, a double bottom right here, beautiful W bottom. Broke bullish, broke back into the uptrend, broke back into the symmetrical triangle that has been on this coin for over a year and a half now. And we finally broke through the high-low MMA, which is what we're trying to see Ethereum do. We're trying to break through those two. We're trying to do what DigiByte did. Come back down, maybe retest support, and then blast back up. And if things do go according to plan, even though we're overbought, if we can consolidate back down or use now this uptrend, this downtrend as a support and bounce off of it, so I'll draw it out for you guys, kind of what I'm saying. If we can go like this and then bounce off and take off, that would be massive for this coin. And we've seen it happen. It'll use it as a support, consolidate back down. By coming up, it'll be overbought. By pulling all the way back down, it'll level itself out, maybe 43. And then it'll take off and really, really, really raise the roof to DigiByte's price. But otherwise, that's going to sum up today's episode. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up. I will be working on the Ledger unboxing video over the weekend, so make sure to tune in for that. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's episode. Peace.